good evening. So we will try to have a recap about Article 3 Bill of Rights. So we all know that Bill of Rights is the shield of the people against the government. So in Bill of Rights, we saw in a lot of cases the people can do their uh, things that need to do, even though in uh, so it is their shield. So the government cannot cannot use its sword against the people, uh, even though it has a shield. So in Bill of Rights, so we have 21 21 sections. So as bar examinees, you must or bar reviewee, you must memorize or at least familiarize the 21 article sections. So that's it. So in Bill of Rights, we we have we have the people. So someday, if you will be a lawyer or a bar examinee or a bar reviewee, we must uh, remember that it is the people that has the Bill of Rights, not the government. So the government has no Bill of Rights, but the people has Bill of Rights. So for example, uh, someone uh, intrude on the rights of a Filipino citizen. So it will be under the Bill of Rights. So that's it. It's very difficult to explain, but the primary thing that we must remember about Bill of Rights is that it is on the people, not on the government. So that's it. So we have the citizenship, legislative. So in legislative, we have 32 articles. In executive, we have 21 articles. In judicial, we have 16 articles. So, and for Constitutional Commission, we have we have a lot of provision in Constitutional Commission. So, you just remember that we have also the Article 2, the Declaration of Principles of State Policies. So we have 6 sections for the principles for the state policies. We have 28 sections for the state policies. So we have also the Article 1, the national territory, and we have the preamble. So here you must familiarize the preamble because we already in the 1987. So if you just study without knowing the preamble, then that will be difficult. So so we have also the local government. We have the local government. So that's it. Local government. We have the municipalities, the barangay. So you must know the structure of the government. So we have president, senator. So obviously we have Supreme Court because they are still part of the political law. So we have hierarchy of courts. We have the Supreme Court, CA, RTC, so MTC. So in presidential we have senator, we have the congressman, the governor, the mayor, the barangay captain. Okay, so we have also the ARM. So we must study all of it. So I think I don't have enough time to elaborate it, but uh, just remember the very basic in political law. So thank you and take note. Uh, I am not a law professor. I am not a lawyer. I'm just a student of law that is willing to help what I can help to you. Thank you. Good day and God bless.